how to save archive stories on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Facebook application, and it will lead you here to your homepage, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you'll see 6 different options there. You'll see home, video, friends, marketplace, notifications, and menu. So tap on the 3 dash lines there, the menu. And then what you're gonna do next is to go here to your settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now here, the next thing that you want to do is to go here to your audience and visibility, and then here you'll see stories. Here it's actually under posts and above reels, so tap on, above pages, now tap on stories. Now here you will see 4 different options where you can see story privacy, so you can control who can see your photos or your story rather. And then sharing options, you will see of course your story archive, so tap on story archive there. Now here, as you can see, I have toggled on save to archive. That means it will automatically archive photos and videos after they disappear from your story, so only you can see your story. So since we want to save archive stories on Facebook, then you have to make sure that you have toggled on the save to archive. And basically that is it. That is how you save archive stories on Facebook, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.